Alright, this is a 1986 Four Seasons. This is not mine to keep. It is going to Spencer in a trade. You'll see what in a future video. You know, it's just your standard run-of-the-mill Four Seasons, but it's RMM1, which is not something you see every day. I mean, they're not uncommon. These are pretty common, but still, you don't see RMM1 as often as, say, 2 or 3. RMM1 meaning the generation of the IntelliTouch board. This has a first generation. Controls on the bed, so I apologize. I'm going to be doing some jumping around in this video. Or maybe I can just do this. Yeah, that works. Has flick mode like all other RMM1 fans. And there you go. You can't reverse it with the power button back to forward in flick mode. You can only do it once. Oh, come on. And the board has a very loud buzz when it changes setting. Like on the higher speeds, if you push the light button, it'll make that sound. Or if you change the speed at all. That's normal for IT fans, but usually that'll happen on RMM4 more usually. It's not a bad sign of failure or anything like that. Just not something you see usually on RMM1. Well, if you do, it's quieter. This one is pretty pronounced and loud. My hair keeps getting caught in the dresser behind me. And it does have a pretty slight motor hum. This one actually has an Asterson motor, which you only commonly see in Slumber 3 fans from 84 to 87-ish, back when Casablanca used third-party motors. Well, not third-party, just they had a bigger variety of third-party motors like Asterson and Samsung. They primarily used Emerson, but they branched off in the mid-80s for a little bit. And they continued to use Samsung into the 90s, which was a big mistake. I would have much rather had them use Asterson. Oh, you know what? I didn't do demo mode. We'll do it at the end. And we'll do it in reverse, I guess. Usually you don't see demo mode in reverse. It'll make up for the reverse demo, I guess. I apologize if I'm talking weird or saying weird things. It's been a very long day. I came home from Ohio today, and that was a 6-hour car trip and, a 6-hour shift. And of course, being the first day of business after Christmas at a restaurant, it's it's pretty damn busy. So I apologize if I'm saying weird things or, Is that high or... I can't even remember what speed we're on. I think this is 5. Yep, that was 5. This thing has excellent bearings, and it flies. But then again, Four Seasons generally perform pretty well. Most of them are faster than other fans because the brackets are a lot less heavy than the standard, Delta brackets or Zephyr brackets. Since these are stubby, they use less metal, less drag on the motor. Oh, there's my cat. There's the Saturn that was up. I'm going to disassemble that here in a few minutes. The room is a big mess right now. Here are my 2 Centennial crates. And that should come in a future video. Another Centennial. I now have 2 Centennials, and they're both new in box. Unfortunately, that one doesn't have original packaging. Some does remain, but not a lot. But it's whatever. All right, let's go reverse. And let's go ahead and do demo, because why not? The piezo beeper on this will sometimes sound a little bit shrill and raspy, but that's pretty normal for RMM1 fans. These are ancient. As far as IntelliTouch goes, obviously. And there you go. 4 Seasons.